In this video, I am going to show you 5 high-paying YouTube niches that will pay you passively. This channel is called Word According to Preach Here, and this channel is in the financial sector but a sub-niche with retirement planning. Advertisers now love to advertise on these videos and have access to capital and credit and are willing to spend. So this channel plays video like 10 of the best places to retire in the world, 10 religious cities in the United States, and things like that. So they talk about money and talk about different places people can go. That's why this channel works so well. So if we look at Social Blade, in fact, we can see that it says they earn $25,000 from their channel, and that's completely wrong. Now you might think this is too high. Not actually too low, because if you hover over the little question mark, it will show you the estimated CPM range, 25 cents to $4 per thousand views. We know that the channel like this earn about $25 per thousand views. So we can safely multiply this by 5 or 6, and that will give us a closer estimate of what they are providing per month. So they earn more than $125,000 per month from this channel just in YouTube ads. So it's crazy number that they're making over $1 million a year, and you don't even have to film any of it. You can have the videos yourself. So this is a great channel to start with. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. The next channel is called Market Chasers. Their market trackers are predicting stock market prices and discussing various trading strategies such as option and future. So they are doing. As you can see, they don't even show their face, so it's fun just knowing the types of videos they do, talking about the dumbest trades. People make millions from meme stocks. So it's a fantastic channel to get started in the financial sector, and again, some of the biggest advertisers are promoting their videos, like big companies like Coinbase, big financial companies like those that pay top dollar. If we go to Social Blade, which is the great channel that says they make $617 a month, we know that's completely wrong. This channel earns between $30 and $40 per thousand views. So we can multiply that number by 10, and that's closer to what they're getting per month. That means he earns $6,000 a month or $72,000 a year just by knowing that people are uploading their videos for them. People make videos. This can be done completely passively. The next channel we want to check is called From Here to Here. This is similar to the first channel I showed you. This channel works like the top 10 countries in the world to live in 2023. 10 best places to live in Texas. So they don't just live in our cities and states, but there are also countries that are doing it. So for people who want to meet you, they may renounce their citizenship in the United States and travel abroad. You don't pay any tax in different countries like Dubai, and people who are looking to retire and they just want a proper change of scenery. So this is for people who want to basically have the right money, or people who want to retire in another state. So this will appeal to a slightly older audience, so it increases CPM. Especially since the audience here is mostly towards the US, which has some of the highest CPMs. This means that advertisers are willing to pay the most. So if we go social blade, it says that they earn about $3,200 a month and $38,000 a year. And again, we know they're making about $25 per thousand views, not per thousands. Now we go to a very unique channel called Benjamin, a very entertaining channel, and the most terrible investing strategies and terrible cryptos on YouTube can have cameras and things like that. So they talk about different financial things and their videos go viral, 1 million views on their videos, so they should only upload once or twice months, because you see they don't upload often and they make good money. Now we can go social blade again. Now again we can multiply this by 10 because they are right in finance, so they make about $3,000 a month and $30,000 a year. So this is a unique example. So I don't suggest or recommend this channel to you much. I say 4 to 5 times a week uploading on YouTube should be done for your channel to stay competitive. This channel is called Travel Extreme. It's the best place to travel. The cheapest place to travel is good. So again, they're in the financial sector with a niche in investment travel properties. So it's very interesting that they talk about the best investment properties around the world, or they talk in the US and talk about places where you can visit different universities. So they appeal to the moneyed crowd. He has money to go to college, he has money to travel, and he has money to buy investment properties abroad. So this niche is very high CPM, like / travel investments. So if you go to Social Blade, this is a great example of a channel. It makes about $2,500 per month. But then again, I guess they make around $30 or $40 per thousand. So we can safely multiply that the 7 or 8, and that give us a better example. So they're making about $14,000 and $16,000 a month passively, or roughly $160,000 and $200,000 a year.